Hunter turned into a dog.
What is the photo you took?
Oh, I'm recording him right now.
Oh.
Hello, David. I mean, not David. Devin.
Same difference.
Devin.
Recording. Yeah, I just wanted to see how long you'd stand there for. See you. Bye, Devin.
I can't see everybody. No, you're not.
It always made me nervous at that age with the stairs.
Yeah, don't worry anymore.